If you're looking for the best online whiteboard for brainstorming, planning, or team collaboration, chances are you're stuck between Miro and FigJam. Both tools are popular, powerful, and packed with features, but which one is right for you? In this video, I'll compare Miro and FigJam based on user experience, features, templates, integrations, and pricing. And by the end, I'll reveal who wins this battle, so stick around. Let's start with a quick overview. Miro is a versatile online whiteboard used by teams for brainstorming, project workflows, agile planning, and even product roadmaps. It's widely adopted in startups, agencies, education, and enterprise-level companies. On the other hand, FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboarding tool designed primarily for creative teams, especially UI/UX designers who already use Figma for product design. So while both help teams collaborate visually, they're built with slightly different users in mind. User experience. When it comes to ease of use, Miro shines. Its interface is very beginner-friendly, with drag and drop tools and a smooth workspace that feels natural even for first-time users. It's simple, structured, and quick to get started. Pros of Miro. Very intuitive interface, easy for anyone to learn. Great for collaborative meetings and workshops. FigJam, meanwhile, has a more playful and creative feel. It offers tools like stamps, emojis, stickers, and fun interactions. While that's great for design teams, it may feel a little confusing if you're not familiar with Figma or design tools. Pros of FigJam. Unique creative collaboration style, fun and engaging for team sessions, great for brainstorming and idea mapping. Cons. Slight learning curve for beginners. Interface can feel chaotic without structure. Features. When it comes to features, Miro gives you a full professional toolkit. You can create flowcharts, Kanban boards, wireframes, org charts, and mind maps. It also supports real-time collaboration with video chat, comment, and at mentions. FigJam keeps things lighter but more design-focused. One standout advantage is its seamless Figma integration. You can bring Figma designs directly into FigJam, annotate wireframes, and collaborate on UI ideas. Miro advantages: more business features like task tracking, diagrams, agile boards. FigJam advantages: advanced drawing tools and perfect for UI, UX brainstorming templates and integrations. Miro is far ahead here. It comes with thousands of templates, everything from sprint planning to customer journey maps. It also integrates with more than 100 tools like Jira, Notion, Google Workspace, Trello, Asana, Slack, and even Figma. FigJam has templates too, but the library is much smaller. Its integrations are good, but mostly revolve around Figma and productivity tools. Verdict: Miro is better for business and project workflows. FigJam is better for product design, collaboration. Pricing: both offer free plans. Miro: paid plans start at $10 per user per month. FigJam starts at $12 per editor per month. Both are affordable for teams, but Miro's free plan is slightly more generous for general use, while FigJam's free version limits advanced collaboration. Which is better? So, which one wins? Choose FigJam if you're a design team, UX/UI team, or already using Figma daily. It's perfect for a creative collaboration. Choose Miro if you're looking for a powerful all-purpose whiteboard for project planning, workflows, and team collaboration. It's better for business teams, agencies, educators, and product managers. Final verdict: Miro wins overall for flexibility, features, and integrations, but FigJam is unbeatable for design-focused collaboration. So that's the full breakdown of Miro versus FigJam. Which one are you going to use and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.